In this lesson, we'll explore how to harness the power of ChatGPT to create detailed course outlines and engaging video scripts for your membership courses. By leveraging the AI's capabilities, you can generate high-quality content more efficiently, allowing you to focus on delivering an exceptional learning experience for your subscribers. Techniques for creating effective text prompts for ChatGPT. The quality of the content generated by ChatGPT heavily depends on the text prompts you provide. To ensure that the AI generates relevant and accurate information, craft clear and specific prompts that outline your expectations. You may include details like the course topic, target audience, learning objectives, and any critical concepts you want to be covered. Experiment with different prompt structures and styles to find the most effective approach for your course content. Generating detailed course outlines and breakdowns. Once you've crafted effective prompts, use ChatGPT to generate comprehensive course outlines. These outlines should include a breakdown of the course into modules or sections, each focusing on a specific topic or concept. Within each module, further divide the content into individual lessons. This hierarchical structure helps ensure a logical flow of information and facilitates a smooth learning experience for your subscribers. Writing engaging and informative video scripts with ChatGPT assistance. With your course outline in place, it's time to generate the video scripts. Use ChatGPT to create content that caters to various learning styles, incorporating clear explanations, examples, and case studies. Ensure that the scripts are written in a conversational tone to foster a connection with your audience and maintain their engagement throughout the course. Refining and iterating on ChatGPT-generated content for optimal results. While ChatGPT can produce impressive content, it's essential to review and refine the generated output to ensure accuracy and quality. This may involve adjusting your text prompts, rephrasing certain sections for clarity, or adding supplementary information to enhance the learning experience. Don't be afraid to iterate and experiment until you achieve the desired result. By mastering these techniques, you can leverage ChatGPT to create well-structured and engaging course content that keeps your subscribers coming back for more. In the next lesson, we'll discuss how to enhance your video course content with ChatGPT-generated insights, as well as incorporate AI-generated content into supplementary course materials to provide a comprehensive learning experience.